Good morning. We are going to study about the RS232 pin diagram. This is the pin configuration of DB9. It has 9 pins. It is also known as RS232 for serial communication. So basically it is used for serial communication for connecting computer with the other peripheral devices. Serial communication allows serial transfer of data, that is bit by bit. First bit is carrier detect. It is set by the modem and answer is received by some remote modem. This pin receives the data. Data is received through this pin. This is used to transmit data. Data is transmitted through this pin. Data terminal ready. It is set by the computer to prepare modem to be connected to some telephone circuitry. This fifth pin is used for ground. This pin is used by the modem to tell computer it is ready to receive and send data. This pin is set by the computer to tell modem that modem can start sending the data. This pin is set by the modem to tell computer it is ready to receive the data. And the last pin, it is set by the modem to tell computer a ringing condition has been detected. So these are the applications of RS232. And thank you very much. Hope you are following the guidelines and stay